Hello, very good morning to all of you, dears. So today we are going to start revision. Okay, and I have sent you study material. I have sent you what name portion and syllabus for upcoming or forthcoming half yearly exam. So I hope you had your syllabus. You have your syllabus to learn. Okay. So today we'll see about article and report writing. Okay. So if we talk about article, so article is very important for nowadays. Okay. And from where you can get the article? So we can get article in newspaper or daily journals or a weekly newspaper or magazine. Okay, magazine we can get article. Okay, an article just publish on different subject. Okay, sometimes article criticize policy of government. Okay, the government is not taking decision welfare of country, so the article criticize their policy. Okay, so article creates public awareness. Okay, in society articles are responsible for awakening public awareness in society. An article connects society to mainstream. In an article, a writer talk about what is going on in country and what changes, what suggestive measures they should take. Okay, so article can be write on different aspect. Like article can be write on political, social, economical, religious. Okay, so on any subject article can be written. Okay, and if we talk about the report writing, so report writing, yes, we know about the reporting. Okay, if something had happened, if there was a seminar, occasion, program, or happening. Okay, so then who write this article, who write report writing? Journalist. Okay, journalist write report writing. Okay, so if you were a witness, you saw everything happening there, so you can write report writing. In you can send your report to editor. Okay, so like that you can make report writing. Suppose in your school there was annual function. Okay, and you were a witness for annual function. You watch all whole event, celebration or occasion. So then you can write a report writing. Okay, you can write report about it, what happened in that ceremony. Okay, who presided over that annual function. Okay, and then how principals are addressed, how everyone garlanded, how every designatory person was garlanded by a student. Okay, and then how about cultural programs and prize distribution ceremony. Okay, and social programs. Okay, dance, drama, how happened on stage. Okay, so then you can write about everything in short. Okay, in short, and your collection, your word selection should be proper. Okay, you should use short structures. Okay, and you should write on a relevant topic. Okay, you should not go irrelevant topic. Your structure of sentences must be grammatical or well organized systematically. Okay, so like that you can make article and report writing both. Okay, we'll see one article and one report writing. Okay, so number one, you are Rohit Sharma. Okay, a student of St. John School or any school. So write an article on the importance of cleanliness. Okay, write an article, importance of cleanliness. Okay, so we talk about cleanliness. Cleanliness is godliness. You know very well. Okay, there is a great importance of cleanliness everywhere. Okay, and if we talk about our Prime Minister, how our Prime Minister inaugurated Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, so everywhere you can see the effect of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, so it is very important to be clean and to keep clean in your surroundings. Okay, you should make unhygienic surroundings around us. Okay, you should avoid hygienic surrounding. So for it you need to proper cleaning. Okay, you should not burn something on open. Okay, in a open, And if you have garbage, so keep the garbage in proper dustbin. Okay, keep the garbage in proper dustbin. Otherwise, if you are not following cleanliness, if you are making heap of garbages here, there, everywhere around you, so maybe you will get fever, or maybe you will fall sick up after that. So keep maintain cleanliness everywhere. So it is said that cleanliness is next to godliness. Yes, cleanliness is next to godliness. So pollution of any sort, such as, if we talk about the pollution, so any pollution, mixing something, okay, in mixing something in pure form, it is known as pollution. If suppose there is water and you mix something, that is also pollution. Okay, so any pollution, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution, any pollution. Nowadays we can see how the vehicle produces what name a vehicle produces smoke, okay, from it. Okay, so we can see pollution from vehicles. Okay, we can see pollution from industry, chimney of industry. Okay, how the industry just releasing their smoke in open air nearby the city. Okay, so due to that causes it, we will have lung cancer after that, or skin cancer, like that disease, typhoid, cholera. Okay, and you see how industry discharge their toxic pollutants or substance in water. Okay, so due to it causes it aquatic life destroyed. Okay, aquatic life ended due to it. And the water gets stop flowing. Okay, and sound pollution, you see the horn of plenty of vehicles flowing on road. So how their horn gives us burden to our audible device. Okay, so then we have seen many pollutions. Okay, so according to survey published by WHO, World Health Organization's survey tell, okay, 50% of total death occur due to the pollution. Yes, 50% death. So responsible of 50% death is pollution. Okay, in most of the city, the world, fresh and pure air is scarce. Yes, if we talk about Delhi, you see how is the situation of Delhi right now. Okay, so mostly city gets polluted. Okay, gets air polluted. You cannot even breathe in open Delhi. Okay, you will find it strange that in some American city, bottles of fresh and pure air are being sold. You see, in some American city, bottle of fresh and pure air are being sold. You see how what days came. Okay, what days come right now. Okay, what kind of days we hear in American many cities, pure air, okay, being sold in bottle. Okay, nowadays, and people are buying. It is the foremost duty. Okay, it's our duty and responsibility to keep our environment safe, secure, and clean. Okay, and we should also help in government policy of clean India. We should also help in making cleanliness. Okay, because it depends on us. Huh? If suppose we should be clean. Okay, first our basic responsibility to be individual clean. Then we'll talk about the family should be clean. Then we'll talk about the colony, mohalla, block, district. So definitely the country would free from pollution. Okay, if everyone is chasing, watching, and following, it's his responsibility. If everyone is following his responsibility, so uh, very easily or very simply it will happen. Okay, and we can get rid from pollution. Okay, so it was about importance of cleaning. So we are going to check a report writing. Okay, a report of NSS camp. Okay, NSS camp means a voluntary camp. Okay, so you have seen many camp like Red Cross camp, NCC camp, like that there is NSS camp. Okay, so we'll start report writing NSS camp. So like every year. Okay, so you went in NSS camp. Okay, so that's why you are writing. Like every year, this year also NSS camp was organized for 5 days. So every year, everywhere the camp is organizing. So this year also the camp organized. Okay, for 5 days. Okay, after the examination. Then what happened? It was held from 1st May to 5th May. Okay. Then you mention date also. Some 40 school of the region participate in it. Okay. So then you inform that around 40 school of your area, 40 school of your division, okay, came in NSS scheme, participated in NSS scheme. Okay. In total, about 1500 boys. So there were 1500 boys and 250 girls in NSS scheme. First day started with introduction, and soon after a full dress march past took place. So then you inform that 1500 boys and 250 girls. Okay. And then you tell first day. Okay. First day, uh, it was the day of introduction. Then from the next day, they started flag march. Okay, they started dress march. There were three classes daily in which we were taught. There were three classes daily in which you taught. The prospect, the service rendered by NSS countrywide. Yes, NSS is not giving service only a particular area; it services whole nation. We gain a lot of knowledge. Okay, you had a lot of knowledge how to serve your country, for serving the country. They are giving knowledge to serving the country, how to serve the country. Okay. And on the last night, the campfire took place in which many participants sing and dance. On the last night, okay, on the last night, the campfire took place in which many participants sing and dance and perform other cultural activity. Okay. So last night there was a program, okay, in the camp. So what happened in the program? Many participants participated in many activities like singing, dancing, cultural music. So next day morning, then they had to go. They had to departed from there. So next day morning, we departed. Okay, we departed to our destination with heavy heart. Means they were not happy to leave from NSS camp. They wanted to stay there. Okay, it was a wonderful experience. So it was a nice and wonderful experience of you. Okay, so it was about today. We'll see a report writing and an article. Okay.